Hey, so one thing I like about the X-Sweep 61 and 53 series is that this blue plastic tank right here is actually a water tank. And so we have a misting system that sprays on front of the side brushes. So right now, we're putting a little bit of water into this tank here. So we're going to fill this up. You've got two places to fill it. You can fill it from the main port here. You can fill it from this little side port right there where we're filling it now. We're going to fill this up with a little bit of water. And when we go sweep the street out there, what we want to do is spray just a little bit of water on that dust, dirt, and debris that's kind of in the corners and stuff to keep the dust down. That's going to turn it into a mud, and then it's going to pick it up. Now, the reason we can do that is because we've got a large filter material in here with a filter vibrator on it that can filter that mud or slightly damp water that's coming through there, right, or slightly wet material. So now that we've got a little bit of water in this unit, we're going to move our water hose to the side. We're going to hop back on the unit here, and then we're going to turn our main brushes on. And we have this misting system. So that misting system is just going to spray a little bit of water in front of the side brooms here. It's going to start to spit out just a little bit. And all we're trying to do is just cut down on the dust that we're putting into the air as we're sweeping. So we're just trying to take that fine dust, we're trying to turn it into a mud, and we're trying to pick that up instead of blow it into the air as we're sweeping along, curbs and corners and areas. Hey, look at that. There's a water bottle over there. How about we try to go pick up that water bottle while we make this turn here? So how about we go right over here, we'll see if we can scoop up this water bottle. So we'll come through here. We'll open a flap door to kind of let it through, okay? And then we're going to hit this little curb right here. So you can see this is a busy street. We've got a school right across the street from us right there. And we're just going to drive it right on this edge here where a lot of like the little rocks and dust and debris and that type of thing with our misting system on. And we're just spraying just enough water just to keep the dust down. Keep the dust from going into the air, into the atmosphere, keeping it nice and clean for everyone. Let us know what you think. What do you think about that? Is that something you could use in your facility? If it is, leave a comment below.